Hello, everyone. I was just live a second ago and I got a really good question about how to find an internship in the city that I'm in. And so I wanted to go ahead and quickly share how to find an internship in your local area. The example I'm going to use is Philadelphia because that was the question or the area where the person wanted to gain that information. So I am going to use her location as an example. So if you wanted to find an internship in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, I'm just going to use that as the example. Let's go ahead and figure out how you would actually find that said internship. And for those that were on live with me earlier, I am back and I just wanted to quickly go over how to find an internship in your local area if you have not done so before or don't know how to do that. So you quickly do that here. So the first step that you're going to take is you are going to first locate your actual state, right? That's going to be step one. So I'm just going to do a quick Google search and I'm just going to use Google overall. And I'm going to share my screen so you can actually see what I'm doing. That will be helpful. So let me go ahead and share my screen. Okay, so this is the screen I have right now. It's just showing nothing, obviously. We're gonna actually show some content in a second, but if I'm in the state of Philadelphia and I was looking for an internship that I could do for that area, then I would first wanna go to their actual Department of Health. So I'm here right now. You can see Department of Health is on the screen, and I'm gonna click on this first link right here, Department of Public Health. This happens to be the City of Philadelphia's page. So I'm gonna click on that and open up this actual page with all of these goodies, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and search in this area. I'm gonna put in internship and see what shows up for me. And they have job opportunities. They have just public health jobs. I see a lot of just jobs, but we're looking for internships, right? We're not looking for jobs. So I'm going to take a different approach because that may be a little challenging. I'm going to go ahead and put in here, I'm going to be very specific. And I'm going to say health informatics, let me see, internship, and I'm going to change them and I'm going to change that to say Philadelphia, PA. Okay, and when I do that and I search health informatics internship programs, and I'm seeing a whole bunch of just random stuff, but you'll notice right here, it says pa.gov, internships, Pennsylvania Department of Health. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that option. And right here, they actually have internship opportunities. So I'm not sure the person that asked me this question is on here right now, but this is for you. Okay, so they do have some internships, which is amazing to see. They do have some in public health. I see health policy. So if you're a health policy person, then there's opportunities there. Healthcare and quality assurance. They have technology. They have press and digital communications. And you'll notice that there's tons of information on here kind of explaining what they're looking for from that person that they're going to be hiring. The majors, you'll see right there, health informatics, which is our sector. So that's great. And it just kind of goes on and on. I'm going to try to see if I can find the actual, sorry for your eyes, guys, the actual details of how you would actually apply. So we are definitely on here, which is a great thing. Let me see if they actually share the process. They don't share the process, right? So what I would do if I were living in Philadelphia and I wanted to do this program, I would reach out to this phone number. This is for a different opportunity, obviously, but it's better to call this person or email this person and see if they can lead you to that opportunity that you are looking for, which were the ones that were further up. So if I were in the state of Philadelphia, this is what I would do, or city of Philadelphia, this is what I would do to find an opportunity there. And this works for any state. It doesn't matter where you are. If you're, and I'm not sure, is there anyone here watching me live that has a particular city or state that they want me to do some digging on? This is for Philadelphia. So if you're in Philadelphia, I would check out their website here, health.pa.gov, and you would see that they have opportunities. Is there anyone here? Feel free to put it in the chat if you actually have a particular location that you are seeking an internship from. Feel free to let me know in the chat. If not, that means I have served my purpose here of answering this question. But just to kind of tie everything together, it doesn't matter where you live. If you're looking for an opportunity, type in Health Informatics Internship Program, put in the location that you're in. Maybe I live in, I'm just going to pick a random spot. I'm just going to say Idaho, and I know that that is a random place, but maybe I live in, and I type in Idaho. If I look here, there's a whole bunch of course, degree programs available, but right there, here for Idaho's government or state government office, they have internships. So I would then, if I were in Idaho, I would click here and then dig further to see if they had anything for health informatics. So right here, look at this, internships. They have internships. So if I were a public health informatics person, then you may find an opportunity here in Idaho to potentially do an internship. Here is their application right here. And you can click on it, which I'm going to do right now, and just kind of see. And they take you straight to the application, and you can apply and fill it out and reach out to them, obviously, and ask any questions that you have. So regardless of where you are, just know that finding internships is all about the effort that you put towards it. And you may not find something that you're looking for, but at least taking that step to first look within your local area would be a great first step to take. And if this is not a good place for you to find an actual opportunity, then I did mention 4 opportunities in my other live that should be already on my channel to view. So hopefully that helps. And the person that wanted this information, hopefully you got your answer for Philadelphia. And I am gonna log off. Does anyone have any questions for me before I log off here for the day? Any questions? No? Making sure. Okay. And in that case, I will log off and see you guys somewhere, somewhere on the internet. All right. Bye, everyone.